According to Taino historian Hua Confidel, who was my mentor, to conquer and divide the tribes, the Europeans fabricated the story that the Kalina men would slaughter the Lokono men and kidnap the women to make them their wives. Unfortunately, this is one of the many disparaging stories the Europeans made up throughout history about indigenous people. Again, around 1310, African explorers arrived and mated with the Kalinico women. The Malayan African admixture with the Ameri-Indians gave birth to us, the Garifuna people. The Europeans once again created the false narrative that the African explorers were savages who brutally killed the Kalinico men and took the women as their wives. Unfortunately, this is the story that is continued to be written and told and taught about us. Again, during this time, Mali was one of the most richest countries in the world, and he left all of that to explore. So we are the descendants of him. When I meet my fellow people from the African continent, they know about our history. Our Arab brothers and sisters, they know about our history, they know about him. The Europeans also know about our history. The only people who don't know about Garifuna history is here in the United States, even though they know about us.